Hello students. Students, in chapter 4 we have studied about the determinants, various properties of determinants, and today we will study about the applications of determinants. Students, in earlier classes we have studied that the area of a triangle whose vertices are x1 by 1, x2 by 2 and x3 by 3 is given by the expression half of x1 by 2 minus by 3 plus x2 by 3 minus by 1 plus x3 bracket by 1 minus by 2. Now this expression can be written in the form of a determinant h as follows. You can see how we can write this expression in the form of a determinant. Here determinant is equal to half of x1 by 1 1 in first row, x2 by 2 1 in second row, and write x3 by 3 1 in the third row. You will see that the value of determinant is equal to the expression half of x1 by 2 minus by 3 plus x2 by 3 minus by 1 plus x3 by 1 minus by 2. Students, since area is a positive quantity, we always take the absolute value of the determinant in this equation. If area is given, use both positive and negative values of the determinant for calculation. The area of a triangle formed by three collinear points is always 0. This is the condition for collinearity actually. The points will be collinear if the area of a triangle is 0. So let us see all this with the help of examples. Let us see an example. Example 17. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices are 3 8, minus 4 2 and 5 1. Here the area of a triangle can be given by using the determinant by the formula area of triangle is equal to half times, just write the formula x1 by 1 1, x2 by 2 1, x3 by 3 1 and substitute the values. So when we substitute the values we get half of in the first row of the determinant there will be 3 at 1, in second row minus 4 2 1 and in third row 5 1 1. Now if we solve it, we will get 61 by 2. Right, already you know how to expand the determinant. Now come to next example 18. Find the equation of line joining A and B using determinants. And find K if a point D, which is K0, is a point such that area of triangle AVD is 3 square units. So for finding the equation of a line, let P xy be any point on the line AB, then area of triangle ABP is 0. Think about it. Why the area of ABP is 0? Actually, the point P lies on the line. That means all the 3 points ABP are collinear. That's why area is 0. So we will apply the formula for area of the triangle half times x1 by 1 1, x2 by 2 1, x3 by 3 1 and substitute all these values and write equal to 0. Why? Because since the area of a triangle is 0, it is already given, and after solving you will get y is equal to 3x, which is the equation of required line AB. Also, since area of triangle ABD is 3 square unit, it is actually given. So here we will use both positive and negative signs, positive and negative values of the area, which is 3 square unit. So this is half times, write the coordinates of ABD x1 by 1 1, that means 1 3 1 0 0 1 and k 0 1 is equal to plus minus 3, and then we will expand it and we will get minus 3k upon 2 is equal to plus minus 3, that is k is equal to plus minus half. Now come to the exercise. Find the area of a triangle with vertices at the point given in each of the following. Here the vertices are at 1 0, 6 0 and at 4 3. So actually these are the 3 points whose coordinates are x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. That means x1 is 1, y1 is 0, x2 is 6, y2 is 0, x3 is 4, y3 is 3. Now we will use these vertices, these coordinates to find the area of a triangle using determinants. So just apply the formula, area of triangle equals to half times x1 by 1 1, x2 by 2 1, x3 by 3 1, and on substituting the values of x1 by 1, x2 by 2 and x3 by 3, we get area equals to half times 1 0 1, 6 0 1, 4 3 1 is equal to half times. Now expand it along row 1. So half times bracket 1, 0 into 1 is 0, minus 3 into 1 3, plus next term will become 0. Okay, so need not to write it, then plus 1, next 6 into 3 is 18, minus 4 into 0 is 0, which is equal to 18 minus 3 upon 2, that is 15 by 2. Now the next question is question number 2. Show that points A, B and C are collinear. I have already stated you that points, if the points are collinear, then area of triangle will be 0. So here actually you have to just find the area of a triangle using these coordinates, and you will see that area will be 0. And when it comes equal to 0, we can say that these points are collinear. So please do it yourself. Now come to next question, question 3. Find values of k if the area of a triangle is 4 square units. This we have completed in an example, you can see here. Yes, in example number 18, find the equation of line joining A and B using determinants and find k if BK is a point such that area of ABD is 3 square unit. So here also just take the area of the triangle in this question. Here the area is 4 square unit. Just take the first part first, and coordinates are k0, 4 0 0 2. That means x1 is k, y1 is 0, x2 is 4, y2 is 0, x3 is 0 and y3 is 2. Okay, so use the formula and write equal to 0. Area of triangle is equal to 0. Oh sorry, here it is given as plus minus 4. We have to write plus minus 4 and find it. You will get the value of k. Now question number 4. Find equation of line joining 1, 2 and 3, 6. This we have studied earlier in the example. So solve just like example number 18. And next question 5 is, if area of triangle is 35 square units with vertices 2 minus 6, 5 4 and k comma 4, then k is, just solve it, it's very easy. So today thank you.